Union Minister of State for Railways and Food Processing Industries Ravnat Singh has assured that Railways is making every possible effort to complete the Jiribam-Imphal railway line on scheduled time. Responding to query raised by Rajya Sabha MP Sanajau Baleshamba during 0 hour of budget session, Union Minister Ravnat Singh has maintained that the centre is looking to expedite the construction of 111 km Jiribam-Imphal railway line project. The project is being constructed with a budget of 22,274.57 crore and 14,423 crore have been released till March 31st, 2024. The written reply from the Union Minister also informed that out of the 111 km long Jiribam-Imphal railway line project, 55.36 kilometers have been completed between Jiribam and Khongsang. The work for remaining Khongsang to Nonne covering 18.25 kilometers and Nonne to Imphal covering 37.02 kilometers is currently underway. The completion of this railway line depends on various factors including early completion of land acquisition, on getting forest clearance, statutory approval, geological, topographical and climate factors, and also law and order situation in the state. However, the Union Minister has assured the centre is exploring all possible means to complete this railway line within stipulated time.